If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out. Well, first of all, I got put onto this boy group named PROXIE. I think it's a Thai boy group, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me in the comments down below. And if you know who PROXIE is, let me know in the comments. Let me know. I know I'm going into a different field, into different type of countries, checking them out because, you know, I love music. PROXIE Traffic. A homie of mine put me onto them. I'm not sure what to expect. I see a piano right here, as you see, like right next to me, like right there. He about to play that Taeyang wedding dress up in here? Imagine though. That would get me. That would get me so hard. Pause. Without further ado, be sure to check out the link in the description down below. Be sure to like this, share this, and subscribe to your boy. And yeah, I think we got captions. Not sure what to expect, but we'll see. Nope. Ooh, okay.
You got me going.
Oh.
You got me stuck.
Got you going and stuck.
It is something I don't even want.
Oh, what?
Got you.
Who got you said?
You got me going. You got me stuck.
Oh.
You got me needing something I don't even want.
Who did this?
Got you.
I hope it's not me.
When you say it's not me.
Oh, okay, choreo. Damn, okay, the outfit's kind of going fire. What the hell? Do take two. Ooh, so they're doing English and Thai. Ooh, the piano in the back. The choreo? Ooh.
Make believe this isn't make believe.
Ooh, ooh, okay. Wait, hold up. The production?
Say it's love. I like that story. Can't I find? Can't I love? Back to back and forth. Up and down, I'm fast and slow. With you,
okay, this sounds something like old school-ish too. Like some, not just second gen, but like 2000s poppin' R&B feel. I might be mistaken. I might be.
never let you down, won't let go. Never say never.
Why I feel like some Akon like type beat type of coding.
Green light, red light, green light.
Ooh.
She got me going. Green light,
Oh, they really killing.
red light, you and
Green light, red light. You know, they play games.
green light, red light, green light. She got me going. Green light,
Got me going.
red light,
Red light. Stop. Ooh. Oh, that was cold. That was cold. Hold up.
green light, red light.
Stop.
Oh, I can't help myself.
What are we doing?
Like you don't help pick me up.
Why are they taking their clothes off?
Love me knows.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, what? What was that? I thought I was gonna go crazier. Like, the way he's staring at me. Okay. Ooh. A little.
Never let you down, won't let go. Never say never.
Never say never. Give me some Justin Bieber vibes, please. Okay, he be popping. Wait, what's this song called? This is called Traffic. No wonder. Okay, I was like, I lost the sauce for a second of what the concept was. This, I was like, why are we saying red light, green light? But Traffic, yeah. Got you going through traffic. Damn. Hope it's not LA traffic for real. Oh. Hold up. Is this their... Wait, is this like... Oh! Shout out to executive producer Danny Chung. Okay. Wait, these are their names. Oh, shit. These are their, like, actual names, too. But they're like... I guess this is their stage names. Gun, Kim, Cho Kun, Gorn. Rhymes with Sorn. Shout out to Sorn. Ong Lee. and Victor. Oh, okay. Oh, Big Banana. Shout out to Big Banana. I know. See, listen, I'm shouting out the people I know. Or if I do, if there's some people here that I have met, but I forgot. My bad. But okay. Shout out to Thailand. Thailand with the bops. Wait, hold up. Can I see this part one more time? This part right here. First of all, he take it off. That shit go hard. I thought it was gonna go crazy though, low key. I'm not gonna lie, but they just kept on going. That stare down, you need to chill. This kid right here. This kid is eating it up. The little. So wait, how did it start again? It started like totally different a bit. Then we went to red light, green light. Shout out to the rings. You almost got like. You got me going. You got me stuck. So you got me going, you got me stuck. Needing something I don't even want. Got you, lost you. He started off with a piano in a white warehouse. Or where or it really do sound like some like retro-ish too. You know what I'm talking about? Got you, lost you, found you. When you say it's not me, it's you, it's me too. The choreo go hard too. They're whoever styled them. Fire. I wish I could wear that, bro, but you know your boy a little bit too thick for that. Okay, lighting. This part right here is fire. Even the piano, that's fire. Ooh. I like that story. Can't I find? Can't I like to back and forth, up and down, and fast and slow with you? I That's fire right there. Oh, that does remind me of some old school ish. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Proxie Traffic. Let me know if you want me to react to more Thai like music or just any other like different type of Asian music as well. Let me know. Put a comments down below. Alright, y'all. Either I put you onto Proxie or you already know who Proxie is. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go support them. Link in the description to the music video. Go stream the ish. And yeah, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.